Hey, what's going on guys, it's AMG here. I'm back with another video for you guys, and this video is gonna be a tutorial. So you have came here because you're facing the problem in the path setting of Java. Suppose you have downloaded the JDK, you know how to write a code, and you open the command prompt and you're going to execute the code, but you're missing a step in between. You won't face this problem if you compile and execute the code on the IDE, but if you're trying on command prompt, you have to download the JDK and then you have to do the path setting. So today I'll be showing you how to do the path setting. So let's go to my desktop. So before going to desktop, what is JDK? JDK is the Java development kit, and the latest version of it is the Java SC14, that is the Java Standard Edition 14. And you have to download that before going to the path setting. So I will show you how to download the JDK and then how to do path setting. If you don't do path setting and you go to compile the Java code, this is the error which will be going on, seeing like path not found or something. I'll post a pic somewhere here. So let's go to desktop now right away. So guys, welcome back to my desktop, and before going to the path setting, let me show you how to download the JDK SC14, the latest version. So just go to Chrome and type in Java JDK download and click the first link, which is from Oracle. I'll be leaving down the link in the description if you don't want to do all this, So just go, and as you can see here, JDK download. There you go. And after that, just scroll down and see. So Windows 64-bit. Click I reviewed, and then click on download. So save it wherever you want. So I'm gonna save it in the documents, so it takes 4 minutes. I will be pausing the video till then, till it's downloaded. So there you go guys, the JDK is downloaded finally. Just open it and go to the further installations. Proceed to the further installation. Just follow me. Click on next, and it should install now. So let's wait till it gets installed. So your JDK is installed finally, and now what you have to do is, why my recording toolbar came up. So let it be aside. Now let us go to the path setting. So there are two types of path setting. One is temporary and second one is permanent. So let's go with the temporary path setting first. So go to your start menu and open the command prompt. So this is the command prompt. So let it be open in my computer, so this PC. Go to the drive, go to program files, and you might be able to see a file named Java. You should be seeing this. Open that, open JDK, open the bin folder. If I was fast, let me repeat that step again. So you have to open Java, then JDK, then after JDK, this is the bin folder. Open the build folder. Then what you have to do is right click over here and say copy address, and after copying the address, just go to your command prompt and type in set path equals and paste it right over here and click on enter, and that should be temporary path setting done for you. But when you close the PC and turn it on back again, you might have to repeat the step again. So if you don't want to do that, let's go and do the permanent path setting. So what you have to do is let the text be copied, the address of the bin folder, the directory of the bin folder be copied. So now what you have to do is go to my computer or PC, right click on it and click on properties. So this page should open up, and over here click on environment path variables. Okay, after clicking on that, you might see a page like this with all the environment variables. Click on new. After clicking on new, type in here as path, and in the variable value paste the address which you copied, the directory of the bin, and save it. Do the same in the system variables. So click on new, variable name as path, and variable value as the path directory. Click OK, and then click OK. So that's your permanent path setting, guys. So you're done with the path setting. Now you will be able to execute whatever program you want. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to compile the Java program. So stay tuned. Maybe tomorrow I will be uploading that video very soon. So stay tuned, guys, for more tutorials like this. And that's it for today. Until next time, stay safe and